cover all Americans if Democratic and Republican governors and legislatures can work together on health care. If doctors, nurses, pharmacists, hospitals, patients, CEOs, small business owners can all agree that it's time for a change, then why can't Washington? I believe we can respond to this demand for change, and I have proposed the American Health Choices Plan. Here's how it would work. If you have private insurance, nothing changes. You keep that insurance. If you like your doctor you have, you keep him. If you like the hospital where you receive care, you keep going there. But if you don't have health insurance, or if you don't like the insurance you have, you can choose from the same wide variety of private plans that members of Congress get to choose from. It's a health choices menu. You'll also have access to a public plan, like Medicare, that will provide a stable, competitive alternative to private insurance. Whatever you choose, you will have the following guarantees. First, you will never be denied coverage because of pre-existing conditions or risk factors. Second, your coverage will be guaranteed. Third, your coverage will be affordable. Fourth, you will always have an option that is fully portable. Now, exactly how will this be possible? Well, it's going to take shared responsibility. Everyone has a stake in this system, and everyone will have to step forward and do his or her part. The government will have to do its part, providing tax credits to ensure that every American can afford health insurance, and investing in measures to improve health care quality and cut costs. Employers will have to do their part. Large companies will be required to help pay for their employees' health care. We won't require small businesses to cover employees. Instead, we'll provide tax credits to ensure that many of them can do so. Private individuals will have to take responsibility for purchasing health insurance in a system where insurance is affordable. And insurance companies and drug companies will have to do their part as well. We're going to change the way insurance companies do business in America. Right now, insurance companies spend $50 billion a year trying to figure out how not to cover people. Well, I'm going to save them a fortune and a whole lot of time, because here's the new policy: no more discrimination, period. My plan is the result of discussions with as many people as possible: doctors, nurses, hospital administrators, employers, unions, but most importantly, American families who have become so frustrated with the system we have. Now, having spent 8 years on one end of Pennsylvania,